Want to join Windsurf AI fun? Let's set up your profile in just few taps. First, make sure you have downloaded the app. Now open the app. Here you can see the options to choose setup flow. Choose the one you prefer. Now choose the key bindings and tap next. Here you can see many options for themes. Choose the one you prefer. Now if you don't have an account with Windsurf, choose sign up or choose login if you already have an account. I don't have an account, so I am choosing here sign up. Here you can see the option to sign up with Google. Tap on it if you want to sign up using Google. Otherwise, type in first name, last name and your email. Then tap continue. Here you can create a password. To verify, a verification code will be sent to your email. Check the email for verification code and enter it here. Then tap create account. Now your account has been created. From here you can go to settings and personalize any more if you want to. Once you have made your changes, click save to update your profile. If changes don't save, try logging out and back in or check your internet connection. What features are you excited to try in Windsurf AI? Tell us in the comments. And that's it. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.